Hiya pals, Blue and Ninja here. We are doing an unboxing of a new set that came out. They are the toy boxes. These what they look like. Are you ready to get into it, Ninja?
Oh yeah.
Alright.
We had a good 4 days at the park celebrating Blue's birthday. We're hoping for Figment and Toad and Jiminy Cricket. If we get the whole set, great, but ooh, first one. Our man, Jiminy. You have a little whistle. Figment, hopefully. Hey, Pooh Bear. Cool. Those two of them.
Alright.
Definitely wanted to grab and see what we got in the next box. Got a total of 5, so hopefully we luck out and get no dupes, and we just have 2 extras. We'll have the whole set. Cool sweater, by the way, Blue.
Thank you.
Alright, looking good. Got a Marie. And Mickey. Cool. So far, so good. We have half the set.
Oh god, this is so nerve-wracking.
So nerve-wracking. Dun, 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 dun. We got a Stitch. The anxiety. Mr. Toad. Chat, we're looking good. We got 2 boxes left, but only 2 to go. Cheshire Cat and Figgy, come on. Alright, we got our first dupe. Not a big deal. Stitch is a good one. Definitely take that for Cheshire. Yeah.
I could tell.
She was stoked. Figment. One more box. We were having really good luck. It's the lady luck. She asked if I wanted to open them. I said nope. All you, baby. Hopefully we get dupes of Fig. Anxiety. Stress. Another Pooh. Cool. Okay, drum roll. Last one. And it's another Jiminy, but that's okay. Our friend needs a Jiminy. I'm hoping they have a Cheshire. If not, it's all good. But that was a good pull.
I mean, it really was, considering you're only missing one.
We're only missing one. It's all due to your birthday magic luck.
I mean, I see 2 that I wanted, so there's that.
Very cool, chat. Appreciate all of you hanging out while we unbox these. Thank you, Blue.
Thank you, Ninja. Alright, see you next time, pals.
See ya.